Ever pondered over the significance of mosquito control? Beyond the incessant buzzing and itchy bites, mosquitoes are notorious for being carriers of diseases. From malaria to dengue, Zika to West Nile virus, these tiny pests pose a real threat to our health. But fear not, there are several ways to control these pesky invaders, and we're about to dive into them. First off, there's biological control. This involves using natural enemies of mosquitoes to reduce their population. Certain fish species like the gambusia or mosquito fish feast on mosquito larvae, making them a great biological control agent. Bacteria like Bacillus thuringiensis israelensis can also be used. When ingested by mosquito larvae, these bacteria release a toxin that is lethal to the larvae, reducing their numbers significantly. Chemical control is another effective method. This involves the use of pesticides either in the form of sprays or larvicides. Sprays target adult mosquitoes, while larvicides target the larvae before they've had a chance to mature. However, it's essential to note that these chemicals should be used responsibly, as they can also affect other wildlife and even humans. Then there's the method of environmental control. This is perhaps the simplest and most eco-friendly of all. It involves removing mosquito breeding grounds. Mosquitoes love stagnant water, so by eliminating these, whether it's an unused bird bath or a puddle in the backyard, you dramatically reduce the chances of a mosquito invasion. Finally, we have genetic control. This cutting-edge approach involves genetically modifying mosquitoes so they cannot reproduce or spread diseases. While this method is still in its experimental stages, it holds great promise for the future of mosquito control. So why does mosquito control matter? Well, apart from sparing you a world of itchiness, it's about safeguarding our health, our families, and our communities. Each method has its own merits, from the eco-friendly environmental control, the efficient chemical control, the natural biological control, to the promising genetic control. Remember, mosquito control is not just about making our summer nights more comfortable, it's about reducing the risk of diseases, protecting our ecosystems, and making our homes safer. So, the next time you spot a stagnant water source or a mosquito buzzing around, think about the control methods we've discussed. Each small step we take can make a big difference in the battle against these tiny pests.